State ki thak ngasi International Day of Biodiversity Day lisingani kun mari ki thorom pangthoktuna lamdam asigi leiriba enak khullaba biodiversity resource yokhattuna thambagi tangai phadaba adu nouhounana ningsingkhre. Directorate of Environment and Climate Change na sinduna be part of the plan Imphal West District ki khonghanpat ta leiba State Botanical Garden da pangthokiba thorom aduda Additional Chief Secretary Forest Environment and Climate Change Khan, Directorate of Environment and Climate Change ki Director T. Brajakumar, State Wetland Authority Manipur ki Technical Committee ki Chairman Dr. K. H. Samungau amasung CHIR Northeast Institute of Science and Technology Lamphel ki Chief Scientist Dr. Bir Kumar su Sharuk Yaki. Athoiba mitunglen ki warol piradona Additional Chief Secretary Forest Environment and Climate Change Khan na haikibada malem gi atai mafam singa yengnabada Manipur da su biodiversity resource marang kaina leri haukiba sahi tarakun asida mioi bagi thabok thorom kayana aikoi gi leiriba biodiversity resource asi sauna mangtharaknabagi maram amoiki aikoi mioi ba khaktana malem da hingba yadabana sanga yauna thawai panba jiba makhal kudimak yokhattuna thamba mathau tai lengangna paikhalakba thabok thorom singda su miyamna saugat piu haiki.
We will certainly try to make our Manipur a very, very beautiful state with full of biodiversity of flora and fauna. Many things, you see the toukhre, it is unique in the history of Manipur. Not only in the Manipur, not in the northeast, whole world knows toukhre. And toukhre preservation is also a part of biodiversity. So we are trying our best from the government side, but nothing is possible unless there is a cooperation from the public, and that is why mass awareness, mass cooperation is required. So with the help of the department, we will try to bring more and more funds. I myself is going to Government of India, pursuing with the Ministry of Jal Shakti, Ministry of Forest and Environment to bring more funds, and I am very hopeful that for Imphal river also we will be getting a huge amount very soon.
Thorom Madhuda Saruk Yakiba, Directorate of Environment and Climate Change ki Director T. Brajakumar na Fongdo Kibada, United Nations na aikoi mangkraba biodiversity ke life form sing amuk semkat naba kumza lising ani kuntra fawada pandam thamliba si mai pakhal labadi 2250 forward the mioiba zati yauna thawai panba pumna magna malem asida punna nungaina hingminaba haibadu phangani amoromda sahi tangkak kaya gi hauzik leiriba mirol asina aikoi gi leijariba biodiversity resource asi yokhattuna thamhau drabadi tungi lakadaba mirol singda achoba khudong chadaba ama soidana mayok nagani mioiba aikoi su biological diversity gi manung chali khangna aikoi punna khutsam naduna aikoi gi biodiversity resource asi manghandana yokhatnaba hotna minasi haiki tharomgi mangoinana Botanical Garden adugi akoibada usara sing thakibagaloinana SKTV ki sub editor Khumanthem Gentle jauna khangatlaba paumi tarada 5th Manipur State Level Media Fellowship on Climate Change Reporting lisingani kungamari kunmanga gidamak fellowship ki authorization letter khutsinaki
Biodiversity si pangtok po lalu aku na ahan step kay kawali hari di wakalon je koi director management na stakeholder kuni maga puni nerakan de tawu step khandu ulum sangi koi working together gi adu ba achoba wakalon ma koi changchang ulum sangi climate change risk assessment gi different parameters da different level da work do kanga biodiversity ko ana risk assessment tawi or risk assessment to si United Nations ki IPCC hai do pari chawa panels na risk assessment yang kita tutupi dah 2023 ni masih takut berform itu report high di batu di biodiversity mangi itu se mayam reason mayam lagi amati mayam apa ki fact mayam lagi facts itu munda apa ki kuai ki mani itu sangat fact mahari tadi biodiversity hotspot mang persina 52% smuti mang tadi hanya pada nampak pelita climate change kerana bukan biodiversity loss pasal akhir jiwa mang lagi pambis mang lagi masih yang nak pada loksin bayar apa tu orang mereka pada